Made redundant from my old employer and decided to go into demolition myself with a couple of very close friends. 2015, 2016 saw us with a lot of our demolition machines sitting around, and in talks with my son, because it's a family-owned business. I asked him if he knew someone with a civil background. From that, we created the civil side of the business, which has just gone through the roof. Probably run anywhere between 12 to 18 projects at once, with over 35 pieces of case equipment, ranging from a 1.7 tonne right through to the largest scale machines that you see digging some of our basements, and looking at growing that a little bit further yet. I think in today's society we need to train and look after people a lot more than what we used to. If we can get the right people to start with, and we give them the respect that everyone deserves, if we can get that balance right, you tend to get blokes that stay. But I think you've got to have a love for what you do. To watch the guys achieve something, you know, move 24,000 solid and end up with a concrete cube in the ground, it's pretty amazing stuff, you know, when you're actually out on site watching it. It gives them great pride, and you can see the passion from the site manager down to the labourer that's drilling 1,000 holes in walls. You know, they actually come to work and actually love what they do, and I think that builds a better company. I got mucked around in the real early days. People didn't want to know you. I don't think they realised we could grow to, and we've grown. And Case, just the guys down there really do give you a little bit of respect. You know, they acknowledge where you're at and what you're doing. They do come out and they do the hard yards with you. They don't just sell you a machine and leave it at that, mate, you know. And we've stuck by them and they've stuck by us. So it's a good relationship. I build relationships on trust and values. And I think if you can be upfront and honest with what you're doing and where you're going, with no matter what you're doing in business, whether it's hiring someone, whether it's firing someone, whether it's buying something, I think you get a lot of respect back for that. I do have a lot of contacts that I've built over the 17 years in business, and I think most of them will give me a little bit of respect for the way I come across to them. I don't bullshit.